Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. Want to install Play Store on your PC? You are in right place. I will show you to install Play Store with a quick, simple and easy way on your laptop. So let's get started. Just go ahead and open Microsoft Edge on your laptop or your computer. Either you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10, that's not a problem. In the browser, please go to google.com. Once you are on google.com, please go ahead and open this first link that says https play.google.com. Once you are on Play Store, on the right top of your screen, please click on these three dots, scroll down and find apps here. Let's go ahead and install this site as an app. Yes, install. Did you see the magic? It gets installed in a second. Now here we have option that we want to pin this Play Store to our taskbar. Yes. Pin to start. Yes. Create a desktop shortcut. Yes, we want to create a desktop shortcut. Auto start on the device login. No, we don't want it. After selecting our required option, please go ahead and click on allow. So that's perfect. Let's go ahead and close everything and see where we have Play Store on our computer. Okay, we got our Play Store here. That's amazing. Once you have installed Play Store on your PC, please make sure you're logged in with your Gmail account into the Play Store so that you could download the applications. For this demo, let's go ahead and search for Facebook. And here you go. I could go ahead and download this Facebook app quickly on my laptop. So that's it about today's quick tip and demo on how to install Play Store quickly on your PC or laptop in 2025. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Take care. Bye.